In today's video, we're going to talk about moving text and copying text. There are many different ways to accomplish this, but you can pick the one you want to use as long as it gets the job done. Now we're going to tackle cutting first. So we're going to move this software list and we're going to move it down lower into our document. Now I'm going to select it first. And the first way we're going to cut this is actually just move this with our mouse. So with it selected, I can click on it and hold down and drag it to where I want to drop it. I want to drop it before this design heading. So you can see the insertion points right there. So I can let go and now it's right before design. Now we can also use the ribbon to accomplish the same thing. This might be useful for when you need to move it and it's not so close to where you want to move it to. Now I'm going to go up to the Home tab, and on the left side there should be the Clipboard group, and I'm going to look for the scissors. I'm going to click on the scissors and it will cut it out of my document, and I want to place this before galleries. So I click in front of galleries, so my insertion point's there. And I'm going to go up to the Clipboard group one more time and click on the picture of the clipboard. Now there is a list arrow, so it's actually two separate buttons, but for now, let's just click on the picture of the clipboard, and now our software list is pasted. Now the last way we're going to move text is with the navigation pane. I'm going to go down to the status bar and click on the status bar where it says page 1 of 2 to bring up our navigation pane. Now, you may come up on one of the other headings. So if you are on one of the other headings, click on headings because that's where we want to be. You can see here that it's listing the headings I have. So if I needed to move software, I could actually click on it and you'll see a line underneath. Then when I drop it, it will move it to that location. So this can be a great way to move this throughout our whole document. And you can see it's quite easy dragging and dropping the heading. Let's talk about copying text. Most of the techniques you use to copy are going to be very similar to the ones we've covered with moving text. So I'm going to highlight the word Microsoft. Now that I have Microsoft selected, I'm going to use drag and drop. Now the key to this is dragging it to where you want to be, just like moving the text. But before you let go of the mouse button, I want you to press and hold down Ctrl. You can see the rectangle now has a little plus sign underneath it. Now when I let go of the mouse button, it actually creates a copy. Now I'm going to select Google and do another copy. Now I'm going to go up to the clipboard and use the ribbon this time. I'm going to click on copy. Go down to click in front of Drive, and then click on the picture of the clipboard in the Clipboard group. Now Google has been copied in front of Drive. Now the last way I'm going to perform a copy, I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut. So I'm going to highlight Adobe, press Ctrl C, click in front of the P in Premiere, and then Ctrl V. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.